the man police say hit and killed a construction worker in Hartford, was in court today. He's facing several charges, including manslaughter.
Now, the judge set the bond at $1 million. NBC Connecticut's Jolie Sherman with the details.
25-year-old Tommy Nugent appeared in court this afternoon after he struck and killed a construction worker in Hartford. His attorney says he was having a seizure at the time of the crash.
My client was at home, was called and asked to bring his grandmother to the grocery store, was on the way back from that, Your Honor.
Tommy Nugent was driving with his grandmother and a young child when he hit and killed 54-year-old Jose Diaz Nieves.
This was an extremely reckless operation on a motor vehicle on around West Boulevard in Hartford.
Nugent faces several charges, including second-degree manslaughter, operating without a license, registration, and insurance, and risk of injury to a minor.
The state's going to ask that bond remain as set in the amount of $1 million.
But his attorney, Michael Chambers, asked the judge to set his bond at $25,000, as he said Nugent was having a seizure at the time, something he deals with from time to time, typically at night.
He's extremely sorry and remorseful for which really is, in fact, an accident, and sorry for the loss of life.
But the judge kept Nugent's bond set at $1 million.
You know, I just hope that the process gets a chance to play out. We can provide some more information that the state can consider.
Nugent's close friends and family also gathered outside the court.
We are all also hurting. You know what I'm saying? They lost somebody. We're technically losing somebody too.
Tommy Nugent is scheduled to be back in court on Monday, July 8th. In Hartford, Jolie Sherman, NBC Connecticut News.